John Catoni is an enrolled agent with the IRS, and he is here again this week to explain to us a little bit about what we need to do for taxes coming up. Welcome to the Law Show, John.
Hello, Mr. Dailey.
How you doing?
Good, real good.
Good. Are you getting any
well.
sleep, or are you still are you starting to burn the midnight oil?
Hey, who needs sleep? I'll sleep in May.
Okay, so it's you're sort of like the bears. You're hibernating now, right?
That's right.
All
right.
So listen, John, let's talk business first. What do employers and people in business need to be concerned about for taxes upcoming?
Again, we've talked about this before. Make sure you're including all the 1099s that you may receive that you get through the mail, and report that income. Because years from now it will come back and haunt you, and you want to look at your entity structure at this time of year, so maybe you can potentially elect S Corp status. Another thing I wanted to mention, which a lot of American businesses do not take advantage of, that I've noticed, is the domestic activities production deduction. It's a lot of U.S. companies can get this for goods and services they produce in the U.S. You can get a 6% deduction off your net income for 2009, and that's going up to 9% in 2010.
So if Mr. Widget Maker is making widgets, he can get a 6% write down of his net income?
Exactly. And a lot of cases that I review, people are, they're not taking advantage of it, and it's for, products that are built right here in the good old USA.
Excellent. John, let's talk about people that are not in business. They're just working, and they've got deductions coming up, and they've got taxes coming up. What are the things that are most important for individuals?
Boy, I've had a lot of smiling faces this year leaving my office, because there's a lot of little tax credits, that maybe one at a time don't add up to much, but when you put them all together, it's making some difference on people's returns. There's the energy credit for any energy-efficient property you've done to your house, such as windows, doors, insulation, maybe a new hot water tank. If you bought a new vehicle, you can deduct the sales tax. The education credits have been expanded. Now, it can be a refundable credit, which means even if you don't have any tax liability, you could still get that credit. One thing I want to mention about the first-time homebuyer credit, which everybody has been talking about, I don't know if everybody remembers, initially it was the $7,500 credit, but you had to pay it back. There's talk in the legislation that they might reverse that so you don't have to pay that back. So if you have any questions on that, you might want to get a hold of me. And there's countless other little credits that you might not be aware of that you just got to stay on top of.